Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike from Spectre Comics. I have a fun day planned. We're heading up to Kenosha, Wisconsin for the Bristol Renaissance Faire. It's a nice warm Saturday in Chicago, and we're going to take the hour trek up to Kenosha, and we'll see you there. Okay, so we just got here. We're in the parking lot. There must be a lot of people here because we've never parked this far back before. You can see the Wisconsin farmland behind me. And we're going to head up to the entrance, and we'll see you there. Okay, so we made it to the box office. We're at the front entry gate of the Renaissance Faire. So again, it's a beautiful day, not a cloud in the sky. It's about 75, 80 degrees. Nice breeze coming, and we're going to go ahead and get inside and see some of the shows, and we'll take you along the ride. So let's go in there. So a lot of times, a lot of the food here is expensive, and it's okay. It's not always good. One of my favorite quick snacks here is the pickles because they're cheap. They're only about $3. You should always tip all of your servers. They always expect it, and then you get a little praise when you do. A little huzzah goes a long way. But I always go for the pickles. I usually get one or two while I'm here.
Jonathan, and they look like they're going sort of really high-pitched sounds, you know, sort of a... They don't know what I'm talking about. No harm, no foul. If, however, you look down, your child is laughing harder than you. They already learned it in public school. It's not my fault. But even more so, if you look down and your kid is the one who's laughing and you don't know why.
All right, so we just sat down, had some food, some sassafras, which is basically root beer. And we're going to get ready for the Dirk and Guido Swordsman show. It's at the stage right behind us. You can see it right over there. They're actually standing behind me right now, getting ready for their show. You can see them right there.
Are you ready for an adventure? Friends, will you help Guido and I celebrate our 35th year with you? Come on, let's go.
Well, lords and ladies, welcome to the Swordsman Show. Before we go any further, would you all please sit up straight? Thank you, postures so very important.
Who's seen us before? Yeah. You know we're not really good at this.
So if we succeed, we urge you to go wild with applause. Give that a try.
However, now, Guido, if we fail,
you must attempt to boo us off this stage. Give that a try. No, I wasn't ready for that. Make
Put
my
your
hair
hearts
grow back.
into it. Now, that's what we're used to.
All right, here we go. Sword tossing done the old-fashioned way.
Yeah, stupidly.
Yep. Whoa!
Hey!
Ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da 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 ya da ya da da ya da da. We ain't got no brains. I shall now assume the prima guardia.
Hey, two people pretending to know Italian.
Hey! Whoa! Oh! Have that!
To it.
To what?
The fight, baby.
Oh, the fight! Ha-ha! Now then, take that! No, take that!
I'm telling you, English is confusing.
Ah! hookah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! That was so close.
Weekend at Renaissance Fair is actually a themed weekend. It's Cottage Core is the theme. So we're seeing a lot of mushrooms and costumes related to that. You can see right over here, there's a bunch of people standing, walking around. They're actually doing a little parade now, walking over there. There's a big wishy here. But all these people dressed as mushrooms. When we first got out of the car and started walking towards the entry, there was a lot of people in mushroom hat costumes, and I didn't understand why. Then I looked at the theme weekend that's on the printout, and it shows Cottage Core as the theme for the weekend. We're very lucky they have a medieval ATM on the premises in case you need cash.
Mateo, absolutely not. No, this is someone's garbage. No.
I know!
Nice big, easy circle overhead. Not too fast, not too fast. Slow down, slow down, slow down. A little bit slower, bigger circle, slow down. I only got halfway through that one. No, don't watch. Kevin, I've been doing this for a while, and I have learned if a guy goes home and says, I went to the Renaissance and some dude bit me in the face, that's bad. However, if he goes home and says, I went to the Renaissance and some dude bit me in the butt, that's good. Actually, Kevin, to get that last piece, I need this one.
Okay, yeah. Woo! Now we're doing fireworks. Watch out, honey, swarm! Get video.
Mud Show's always a fan favorite. Let's check it out. One of the more important locations is the Flushable Pretties. There's a lot of porta potties around the park, but the only flushable ones, real restrooms, are in the front of the park. We're right near the entry. The entry's right over there. And the bathrooms are just to the right, between the entrance and the mud pit, where they do the mud show, which is right over. So we come here about once a year. We typically see the same shows over and over again. Fairly Balanced is a show we check out each time. It's a balancing act with three 3 people, 2 guys and a girl. We see Dirk and Guido, the swordsman, Adam Crack, the fire whip guy. Sometimes we check out the mud show. There's also this girl that does, she climbs up in a tree with these big curtains and does some acrobatics. I don't remember what that's called, and I didn't see her today, so I'm not sure she's here. We typically see, these guys come back every year, do the same shows. Sometimes they add a couple of tricks. They tip them a couple of bucks after each act, and they're good. So we're going to check out the Barely Balanced Fire Extravaganza, which is the later show. We've never actually stayed for that one before. So it's going to be fun to see that one because it'll be tricks that we've never seen before and a lot more fire and a lot more dangers. Here comes a young jouster. That was fun.
And they were walking with purpose, because you see the devil and the tax collector had made a bet. And the bet was very simple.
So we're waiting for the Barely Balanced show to get started. They're setting up right now. You can hear the joust in the background. We've been here at least 10 times. We've never seen the joust. It's always hard to get a seat for. It's always super crowded, so
I think we sat on the ground once for
maybe, but I don't even remember the show.
years ago.
So the joust is happening right now, right over there, but again, we're missing it. But we are going to see the Barely Balanced Fire Extravaganza show.
Act like it's the coolest thing in the world. Are you guys with me?
Yeah!
On 3, the pits. 1, 2, 3! Thank you, brother. Right this way, friends, for the finale fire show. Grab a seat, get comfortable. Unattractive people, sit right up on the stage. It's Ari and Margaret!
You guys, welcome to the fire show!
Hello! What an adventure! Let's dive right in. For those of you that don't already know us, my name is Margaret. That guy is my fuzzy husband, Cameron. And the big fella on the end is our best friend, Ari.
But we are better known as
Small.
Medium.
and above average.
When you reached back, I could feel you clenching. I love the idea of a family that's brand new to the Ren Fair walking by our stage right now. Oh, there's a whole bunch that just showed up. Hey, y'all.
Hey, guys. You can come sit down. The button thing's beginning.
Welcome to Only Flames.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's wiggle!
Do you have a better lighter?
I don't need that.
He is above average. And everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
Now, this thing's burning at over 600 degrees, so you know what you're doing in case things go wrong.
Yeah. You know what, though, bud? Just in case it does go flying out into the audience,
I'm gonna head out here. That way I can throw this kid in front of her. Sweet. But I got your back, man. You're gonna be totally safe.
All right, let's party. That one's called the Running Man. Yeah, this one's the Running Man after the bar. And if I were to drop it, I'd become Burning Man. Now, when it comes to manscaping, I only trust the Gillette Inferno.
Safe and ready to go. Here we go. Seems good. Going for the unicycle. Come on, Cameron, you got this. Thanks, kid. I bet you're fun to watch movies with.
Nice.
Ready? Light it.
Spray them feet. You guys make them feet. Yeah!
Backwards!
Okay, so just got back to the car. We had a long walk from the entryway to the car. It was about a mile. So we just got here. We were sweating, tired. Just finished seeing the Barely Balanced show. It was a good show. A lot of fire, not as much balancing as they usually do, but it was the end of the fire show at the end of the day that they do, and that's it. So good day at Ren Fair. See you next year. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.